So now I am logged into my Discord account, and whenever I go to this settings, user settings, and scroll down, better Discord is not showing here. So I want this thing, better Discord. So how I will do it? I will just open this link. I will share this link in the description of this video. Click on this first one and click on this link, download or better Discord. Scroll down. So I have a Windows, so I will go for this one. If you have a Mac or Linux, so go for the specific one accordingly. I am downloading this. Open this, accept the agreement and click on next. Next, install. So click on this and click on install. So it is now installing. So Discord is automatically turned off. So Discord is restarting again, you can see, and this process is complete. Click on close. So you can see better Discord is now installed, and now you can go to the user settings, scroll down. You can see better Discord is now showing. You can see now plugins is also showing. Now I hope you will be able to do it, friends. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.